Hello and welcome to another edition of Tom's Toolbox. I'm your host, Tom Clark. Did you know that 1 out of every 4 warehouse injuries happen at the loading dock? This includes over 20,000 serious injuries and approximately 100 deaths every year. Additionally, over 10% of all workers' compensation lawsuits are a result of loading dock injuries. Today, we're going to show you a new safety tool from Vestil Manufacturing to mitigate your risk at a warehouse loading dock. And no, we are not in studio today. We're at an actual loading dock. When trucks drive away and leave their semi-trailers, like the one behind me here, there can be the possibility of a dangerous and potentially deadly upending while loading or unloading. Now, this can be prevented with the use of these wheel chocks and trailer stabilizing jacks. Now, before we start, we always wear the proper PPE for whatever the job calls for, especially when you're at an active loading dock. So remember, always make safety priority number 1. Wheel chocks will prevent the trailer from creeping away from the dock and causing an unsafe situation. This particular wheel chock features an ergonomic handle which provides 2 primary benefits: easy and comfortable chock placement and removal. Now, use trailer stabilizing jacks with the wheel chocks by placing them under the nose of the trailer, like so, and then raise them using the ratchet or the hand crank. Featured here today are 2 of the most popular Vestil jacks. You've got the economy model and then the standard ratchet model. Now, the economy model provides 50,000 pounds of holding force, while the ratchet model is going to provide 100,000 pounds of holding force, along with 40,000 pounds of lifting force. The economy model may be carried with a convenient handle, while the ratchet model is portable on these 2 wheels that you see right here. You see how the trailer is resting on these? I mean, it is so easy, why wouldn't you use them? Plus, you're going to be in compliance with OSHA under Section 1910.178 M7. These jacks will also keep landing gear from sinking into soft or muddy surfaces on unfinished approaches. And we've just met OSHA regulations, which is extremely important. Safety is always going to be priority number 1, and these help you accomplish just that. Vestil offers a variety of trailer stabilizing jacks, all in the yellow powder-coated finish for added safety and, of course, durability. They also have a wide range of wheel chocks to meet all of your needs, including railroad wheel chocks for those of you who receive goods and materials from our nation's rail carriers. Well, that's going to do it for today. Now, in terms of PPE, we needed a bit of equipment for today's demonstration, but remember, always wear the proper PPE for whatever the job calls for. We always tell you, safety's priority number 1. For more on these Vestil products, talk to your local Motion Industries sales rep, or you can visit motionindustries.com for more information. Also, don't forget to visit mihowto.com and you can check out more videos like this one with me, Tom Clark, as your host. Thanks for watching.